for it. Get him going the right way would be doing alright, huh?
Yeah.
What's with the pictures, Alyssa?
Sorry about that. Fun. No, it's fun.
Is that so she sees my face? Is she gonna...
That's okay. I've already given her your phone number.
And actually, you know, you could just literally drag on the plate with this.
You can drag it with that?
Yeah, but don't put your hand across it because it's hot. But you can literally drag across the plate with that type of electrode. The torch is nice and sleek. Pretty clean now.
Blow a hole through it?
Sure, it appears. A lot of times this guy will come in at a 45, come down, and then swing out of it. You know. Yeah, like that.